Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. It's been really windy over the weekend, so I thought I'd come down and check on the allotment. And as you can see, the greenhouse isn't there. Where's the greenhouse? It's gone over there, oh my goodness. I'm not sure how the greenhouse managed to get over there, considering I had no glass in. A lot of apples have fell off the tree. And it's probably squashed all of the brassicas. It looks like everything else has survived okay. The chickens are okay, I've just given them some fresh veg. The lid off the chicken feeder did blow off, so I'll put a brick on it now so that won't happen again. So let's get this greenhouse back. Oh. I can't believe that happened. How did that happen? See what it's damaged then. The pea fence is down, but the peas are at the end anyway. I was just saving the seed. They should be alright. Leeks are a bit battered, but overall I think they're okay. And the brassicas, as far as I can see, are all okay. Must have just missed them. I am surprised the greenhouse even moved because it's got no glass in. It's never moved before, so it must have been really strong wind. You been digging? Have you been digging?